Alright, this morning I'm going to attempt to make some curd. Now, I had a little chat with Neha, so she's given me a few tips. So I'm going to boil the water. I'm going to put the water into my coffee plunger, which I suggest if you were a coffee drinker, you should bring one. And maybe if you can get the stainless steel one, which is possible from Amazon, I think it's better. I actually packed mine in my shipping, so I had to buy this one. I normally carry a stainless steel plunger. It just comes in so handy for anything that you need to do. Okay, so I'm going to use these juice packs because it has a Tetra inside, and that should help warm the milk first before I make the curd. So let me just see. It's very difficult to do this while I am filming, but anyway, one-handedly. Okay, so let me just try that. Put the hot water in there. Okay, so that's just enough water, and hopefully that will warm the milk in there. So Neha's told me that the milk has to be warm. All right, now for breakfast today we have muesli and yogurt and fruit, so I'm going to use a little bit of that yogurt there. So once the milk warms, I'm going to put it into here. Please be extremely mindful with these containers, and I'll do a little video about what happens to them when you add hot water. Okay, so let's just pause that. Okay, so I used about this much and put into the milk, and next I just give it a little stir. So there's a little bit of yogurt in there. The milk was super yummy, very, very nice warm milk, just from being in that Tetra Pak in that process. Took about 5 minutes to warm that whole Tetra Pak of milk, so that's a successful way to warm the milk for the kiddies. So yeah, now let's just put that in there. Make sure it's not too hot because these containers actually dissolve in hot water. Okay, so I'm putting my 2B curd into the dark cupboard, and there is pretty much no light that should get in there. Okay, all right, so hopefully tomorrow I will have nice runny curd to have with my muesli and fruit. This is the end result of my yogurt, my curd making. I think it's okay. Like it's not runny, and you can see that there are lumps in it. Yeah, I think I did okay. It took a little longer than the 8 hours, and it tastes okay. So I put it in the fridge, and yeah, it's gonna work for me.